Darakal? Ay naapaw. Ada karagmut sa?
Tukak.
Kanyo to ko matikas tanan eh.
Dapara.
Kasan eh. Tanong mamaranda.
Ay kasjay. Ngita ti naglengag linis kasta.
Mamaranda. Oh, kasi mo.
Tulog-tulog.
Tulog-tulogan. Ano mamaranda?
Ito mo ka ni Kuala.
Nangalak ka lupa na isa.
Ala, dabugi na. Sayang. Lagad, dati nagdaki lang ang kasta di mingal ala na tabakan nung ngay karag.
Ni nagarubugi na nak na yan.
Kanarahiyan. Tikarag.
Ay mayanda mo tito ka?
Wala. Data lang. Ibatim na kita kasana eh. Ibatim na taba-taba na.
Tabana.
Isigang mau ay tinula.
Dubon ay.
Adubaw?
Tinula ha?
Danga ay
Isto adi di kuma naganang bulong ti si bisilay.
Dati na lang setting nga ikatanok ka. Tingnan. Dati puro nga amay. Tatatin na lang siya. Dito.
Kamti nagadungo ang sina. Ada tidak po.
Ura na.
Kaya manay mo sa pay mo ako.
Dumakal papi.
Sika matagtala. Nakukuday. Kukuday na ito pumatala. Lokal pa ba? Kukutong. Nagpili makasalang.
Nagdad. Today. Today. Yan. Palaka. Ano sila ng palaka. Hi, Tulay. Hi, Precious.
Silda.
Griselda. Hi.
Nabito ka pa. Nakbadagaya mo. Namaranda.
Ay, na tayo na.
Nabigda na eh.
Di yan may isa.
Namaranda gaya mo.
Kapag sasabali mo ti kulay, dadapuraw.
Tapos sa Jamaica
Ayan
daw.
siya daw. Ang tibugi na rata kalakyan.
Kasi mag.
Naka.
Sa anong mga tanga mong kalakyan datangan?
Today. Di balasang.
Di balasang ka?
Di say. Di balasang. Di mana.
Daiman na, dasakan na.
Ada ulo na. Yantay. Hindi litik sawa akin.
Adalatag na dito ka.
Nangay.
Ngayon tilitig na ngayon. May matangang.
Ayan na nga di kuha na.
Nabigda na eh.
Ore ah.
Nagadaw. Nagadupan.
Kuya ata tumarayda. Tumarayda. Isa ba yung nagdrakal? Sayang.
Kangag-
Ay nagadungo kinaala da.
Darakil ah. Dapat makaunakat, ano makapili ka. Tapos, mamaya na lang. Ayan. Nakakatakot minsan. Sir, pero masarap ang palaga.
It is an exotic dish. I want to show you this one because this is the one I eat already, but this is the second time I'm eating. Okay, I will show you what. This is the one. Show me here. This is I hope everyone can able to identify this
What's
one
that?
by saying that it's a frog, okay, and mixed with some muringa leaf. They no long palaka in Ilocano, they right?
Tuka. What is in Ilocano? Tuka.
Tuka.
Tukak.
See the frog. This is the one. It is very clean only. Here they buy something about around 100 peso, but it is more frog they have, so we share everything. Okay, see family we share. See. Frog. Okay, I will
Drink?
taste the super. Tasty. Okay. Yes. Frog. You know the Tamil and சொல்லுவாங்க. But why I am laughing means in Tamil Nadu or in India, wherever there, they never try this one because frog is not kind of a there they don't eat. But here they will eat. Some places after a lot of countries they are eating, but it is really nice. Yes. See, I will
Eat
take
only
this one.
that.
I will take this one. See the leg. The meat is same like a chicken only. You don't feel anything. It's very tasty. But when you see this one, it is a frog meat. Some person they can't able to eat that one. That is the reason. Okay. Okay.
See,
தவளை
eat,
வந்து
eat.
தவளை வந்துட்ட பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யாருமே பார்த்துக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஓகே ஸோ
Try this one. The
see this inside is the boogie. Boogie means what?
boogie.
Small egg, right? The frog egg. It's very tasty only. Now I will eat with the rice. Okay. Keep that one. I will show you. You show that. That is in the plate. We have that one pakpad. Wait. I will tell you. Pakpad mix of the vegetables, pumpkin and some utong, long beans, snake beans, and paria. Paria is a bitter gourd. And that one in that dish, thing it is mongo sprouts, green sprouts. They mix with the marunggay and some ginger also.
Dali tukak na yung kamangala na.
We will eat.
Ha?
Okay.
You take the one frog.
Excuse me. I will take that one.
Plus this
And
one.
also some mongo.
You take.
The spoon. Little bit. I will taste. After that, I will take more.
You take the murunggay. Use your hand.
Okay. I will taste rice. The papads I really like full of vegetable only. No meat. Frog. Chicken.
The leg.
Leg piece.
Tanay.
Nana is also going to take frog.
Tukak.
Frog. Nana will just
Lumalakan naman siya. Alam na kita rin. Yummy.
Sweet meat that will make it mix with the rice. Then, see in Pagbas they have put this one dry fish. The meat is very tasty.
Oh, in Tamil one, what's that?
Tavala.
This one frog.
Frog tavala.
Indian. Tamil na ay. Eating tamala.
Tavala.
Tawala?
Mongo. Okay. Little bit only. Mongo, this one is normal taste only. I already eat alone. It's mixed with ginger. The ginger taste is the most one. It's very tasty. Everything very tasty. See that? Beautiful. Dog is waiting for that one also. Okay. I hope everyone like this video. Like this video, please share, comment, and subscribe. And our YouTube channel is 2 Complete Travelers. Thank you for watching.
Follow also our page.
Follow our Facebook page, 2 Hungry Traveler. Okay guys, thank you. God bless you everyone. Bye.